Hey folks, Cool Small Designs here, and this is part 1 of the Meng 1/35th scale Panther D, SD, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever, 171. I'm not going to get into all that. Look at the box art, that's the one we're building. Anyway, I like the looks of the Panther. This model kit, was really cool. No one seems to build this one because I think it doesn't have the bow gunner, and it turns people off because, more guns looks cool. But anyway, one kit came with a metal barrel, the other did not. I think this was like a limited time thing. But the one I'm building right now, I'm building it without the metal barrel. And this is just a one-piece plastic barrel, so you didn't have to glue the two halves together. And it looks just as good as the metal barrel. So if you're searching the world over for the one with the metal barrel, you kind of don't have to. Now, when it comes to like the Sherman models and stuff that I build, I like the metal barrels because I don't like gluing the two halves together, or sometimes you do get the one piece, but it's bent. As where this kit, it looks good. So I'm happy with it. So there you go. This one does come with a lot of photo etch, like the side skirting and stuff. So it's going to look really cool when it comes to, doing like damage and bending and stuff. But we'll get into that in a later video. But one thing I did notice with this build is you have to really pay attention, because you can build 1, 2, 3, or 4. So you've really got to pay attention to which one you're building, right? Otherwise you can really get messed up, because some parts fit, some parts don't. And I really noticed it with like the storage bins and stuff. I had to do a little bit of cutting and shaping, otherwise they don't fit flush. So something to really pay attention to. And even with this part right here, like I had to do a lot of messing with it just to get it to fit straight and even, and yeah. But anyhow, other than that, it seems to be, coming together nicely. I'm not really much for the full interiors. I thought I was. Like, I definitely want to get the Sherman full interior because I like Shermans. But when it comes to like the full interiors, I don't know, I guess I'm just not a big fan of them, because like once it's closed up, you're really not going to see it. Now I say that because then, and then the next video I'm building a B-24 with full interior, but I guess it's a little bit different because they have the glass windows and stuff and you can see in. As we're here, you're not really seeing in, so whatever, right? I guess. I mean, if you're using this and doing that crane thing where you're lifting it off and stuff, then yeah. But that's not what we're doing here, especially with my tanks. But I'm not really following, I'm following the instructions as far as trying to get the variance right. But for the most part, I try to put as much on the tank as I can before I paint. And that's what we're doing here. I'm just trying to get as much as I can on before I paint. The photo etch are nice and thick, so those went on nice, as you can see. So, but as far as fit goes, the fit seems very nice. Of course, it's not going to fit now because I'm using one hand, and usually when I use one hand, it doesn't fit nice. So there's really not much to say right now. It's just, getting it all together. So the first hatch that I seen was photo etch. So you don't want to drop this on the floor because you probably mistake this as some kind of construction, thing that fell off or something, because this does not look like a hatch. Looks like something you'd find in a hardware store. But yeah, just got to pay attention to the variance, because like I said, you get a lot of pieces, and then even though it shows you 4, you get a lot more. So again, they're just throwing tons of parts into a box, which is great. But kind of boring parts ones are usually boring, right? It's just me throwing parts on, and then as the builds go, we'll start to get into the detailing. I think I'm going to do a winter scene with this one. So I'll paint it like tan, which is already tan, but I'll just throw more tan on here, and then I'll dab white on it, and then we'll throw a winter scene on it and throw some Germans and winter camo and stuff on. I think that'll be fun. But we'll keep cracking on this one there, guys. And yeah, we'll finally get a German tank on the channel. That'll be fun. So there. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll try them along.